We're told breakfast is the most important meal. But what if skipping it actually helps us eat less overall? Eating first thing can jumpstart hunger hormones. These hormones, like ghrelin, tell your brain you're hungry. When you eat frequently, your body gets used to constant fuel. This can make you crave more food throughout the day. By delaying your first meal, you can change this pattern. Intermittent fasting, or IF, is a way to control these cravings. It involves cycling between periods of eating and not eating. This can lead to better appetite control over time. Listen to your body. If you're not truly hungry in the morning, don't force yourself to eat. You might be surprised how much control you gain. Our bodies run on energy. This energy comes from the food we eat, specifically glucose. When we fast, our bodies use stored glucose first. Once that's depleted, we tap into fat reserves. Fasting extends the time our bodies burn fat for fuel. This can lead to weight loss and a leaner physique. It's not about starving yourself, but changing when you eat. Remember, intermittent fasting is not a magic bullet. It works best with a balanced diet and exercise. The goal is sustainable weight management, not just rapid weight loss. The breakfast industry is worth billions. Think cereal, orange juice, breakfast sandwiches. We're bombarded with ads telling us breakfast is essential. But are these messages about health or profit? Companies spend huge amounts to convince us we need their products. This marketing shapes our eating habits from a young age. It's time to think critically about what we're told. Don't let marketing dictate your choices. Your needs and preferences matter most. Section 4. My fasting journey from pre-diabetic to peak performance. In 2015, I faced a health crisis. At 250 pounds, I was pre-diabetic. Something had to change. I decided to try one meal a day, or OMAD, a form of intermittent fasting. People thought I was crazy, but within weeks I felt incredible. My energy levels soared. I lost weight and reversed my prediabetes. Fasting isn't just about weight, it's about taking control of your health. It's about feeling your best, both physically and mentally. Section 5. Live longer, feel better. The longevity benefits of fasting. Could eating less lead to a longer life? Studies suggest a link between calorie restriction and longevity. Fasting mimics this, potentially offering similar benefits. Fasting can improve insulin sensitivity. This is key for preventing type 2 diabetes. It may also reduce the risk of heart disease and some cancers. Fasting isn't a quick fix. It's a lifestyle shift with potential long-term rewards. It's about prioritizing health and well-being for years to come.